Today, we are showing you 7 of the top hacks and tips for OdoBan cleaning so you can have the freshest fall and winter ever. I am Technical Director here at OdoBan, and I am joined today in the studio by my erstwhile companion, our National Sales Director, Mr. Bill Frazier. Bill, say hello to the folks.
Hello, folks.
So we're going to start off this. Go ahead and get rolling and kick it to Bill for our first tip. What you got, Bill?
Be willing to bet our Odo bandits and our Odo fans know about OdoBan in the laundry. But what about between washings, clothes between washings? For example, it's getting cold. I got this nice fleece jacket here. I'm standing by the fire pit, which I like, and getting that smoke smell.
Oh, yeah, you always smell like a smoked trout when you're done.
So before I put that back in the closet, fold it up, or I hang it back up, let's spray it with some fresh linen, an OdoBan continuous spray.
Man, I love that fresh linen.
Guess what this is not going to smell like, Dave, when I take it out the next time?
It's not going to smell like smoke.
It's not going to smell like the closet either.
Oh, yeah, man, I hate that. They come out musty. Down here in Georgia, our coats stay in the closet more than they're out. And so anytime you pull one out and it's all musty, so there's you a great tip for OdoBan. Spray your coats down. Bill, you got us a second tip? Looks like
I do. I got a blanket statement for you.
A blanket statement. Well, those are dangerous sometimes, but carry on.
So we talked about clothes in between washings. But what about those big old blankets in the closet? You got sheets, you got pillowcases. When you take those out when guests arrive, guess what they smell like?
They smell like the closet.
Smell like the closet.
You don't want that.
So here's a little hack for you. Take your blanket out, take your sheets out, and spread them out. Unfold them all the way over the bed, and then spray them. Put them back in the closet. So the next time you take them out, guess what? They smell
great. Oh, that's such a good idea. So we're moving away from fabric. What have you got for us this time, Dr. Frazier?
This is not fabric, but this is a moldy but a goodie.
A moldy but
So let's talk about mold. When you have that black line in the bathtub.
And that's how you know it's time to clean, right?
That's when you know it's time to clean. That's mold starting to show up. And actually, OdoBan will prevent that growth of the mold. So spray your shower down, spray your tub, spray those corners for sure, and that mold won't show up again. Well, first you need to get rid of it, clean it out, and then if you just sprayed that, Dave, every 7 days, you'd never see black mold again.
Never again.
Never again. I want to talk about knobs and touch points inside your house, all the different places that you actually may touch. We're talking about hard surface, countertops, doorknobs, light switches, everything in your home. So I've got some different doorknobs here. I could use OdoBan ready to use eucalyptus, spray down my knobs and light switches, and if I let them set 10 minutes, that's going to be completely disinfected. Make sure anything that someone touches, and a big thing these days are the alarm buttons with all the different, you got to wipe those down.
That's one I hadn't thought of.
Touching those, and doorknobs, wipe everything down after you let it set 10 minutes, and guess what, guys? They're actually disinfected, and if someone smells your doorknob, it's going to smell clean and fresh. Clean and fresh. It happens. It happens.
Those trick-or-treat kids are just tall enough to smell the doorknob, right? Bill, it looks like you're having a little toilet trouble over there.
Not really. I got a potty going on.
It's a Halloween potty.
Check it out. This can actually be turned upside down, and I can spray the entire can out. Well, why is that important? Why might that be important?
Why is that important, Bill?
Let's talk about the bowl in your bathroom. Now I can turn this can upside down and spray underneath the bowl. This is not an aerosol can. This is actually a bag with compressed air around it. And the only thing coming out of this nozzle is pure OdoBan. Dave, there's a couple more things associated with cleaning the toilet bowl that a lot of people forget. Well, the things they use to clean the toilet bowl, i.e. the brush here, and more often the dreaded receptacle. What do you think's in the bottom of this thing on a daily basis?
I don't want to speculate.
You don't. But if you want to spray a little OdoBan down there, wipe it out, spray another shot, let it set 10 minutes. Guess what? You've just disinfected your nasty little OdoBan receptacle. And don't forget the plunger.
Bill, you mentioned laundry earlier, and you said you were going to follow up with something. I think it's time for that, isn't it?
Right. It is time. OdoBan in the laundry is something that we talked about before. And OdoBan in your laundry does a couple of things. It gets rid of odors. It also it softens like a softener. And guess what else it does, Dave? It gets rid of static cling. A typical laundry basket here. And whether you have a whole bunch of laundry in it or like I do today, just a little bit of laundry.
A little laundry. Yeah, Bill.
So as the clothes start to pile up in there, you can spray OdoBan in there to keep your home smelling fresh, especially around that laundry basket. And then when you're ready, dump everything in the laundry. But, here's the tip. Here's the hack. Once that that laundry basket is empty, when's the last time you disinfected your laundry basket? All you got to do is take OdoBan ready to use, spray it in your laundry basket, let it set 10 minutes. You can wipe it out, and guess what? You have a disinfected laundry basket,
That's
which
amazing.
you probably never have had.
I've never even thought about it. I can't imagine how bad a laundry hamper must smell, even when it's empty. I'd never thought about it.
Especially in your house.
Oh,
But what I wanted to say was the fabric softener ball you got, that's all it does. Get rid of that stuff. You don't need that stuff. Sorry, Tommy. Let's do this instead. OdoBan concentrate in the laundry. All it takes is 8 ounces per load, and you're ready to go.
Tommy, are you?
Are you right, Tommy? Sorry about that.
Clean up aisle 3. Tommy's down. No, wait. I think he's conscious. Okay, he's fine, folks. He's going to be fine. We'll make sure he's okay. One of the things I always hate about this time of the year is when you get all of that, blood on your carpet. Fresh blood. It's a horrible thing. So, Bill, you're showing us how to get blood out of carpet, right?
Well, not exactly, Dave. I was kind of going for pet urine.
Well, that makes more sense.
But since
probably.
it's Halloween, I decided to use blood instead. It's a little more exciting, but just not as smelly. But seriously, the people that have pets, they know what we're talking about.
Oh, yeah.
You get the urine on the floor, and yeah, you can get that stain up. Let's say this is our stain. In this case, it's blood. It's red. It's better visual. Let's get the stain up 100%. So the stain is gone, right? But does this still smell?
I bet it does.
It smells like urine to me. So take some OdoBan ready to use, spray that carpet down, and guess what? Nice, clean, fresh smelling carpet, even though the cat just did his business 5 minutes ago. It's great.
Fresh. If you've really got some old smelly carpet, Bill, you got a tip for that one?
Well, you could put OdoBan actually in one of these extractors. See this big machine here? It's the kind you get at your local grocery store or home store, and not only does OdoBan work great in here, I will give a shout out to 3-in-1 Carpet Cleaner.
Oh, yeah.
Makes this machine work twice as good as it does. Let's stick with OdoBan for a minute, though. You can put OdoBan in your tank and just get rid of odors all over your carpet. So these machines have your receptacle for what I call the juice, or your
soap
detergent,
solution.
your soap,
your cleaner
and then
mix.
they got a receptacle for all your dirty water.
Boy,
like
those
this
get
one does.
nasty.
So if I take this tank out, whoever used it last, you can see the dirt line in there.
I don't know what
where
you're
the
talking
dirty
about.
water was.
That's
because Dave used it last.
Me.
So if you were to clean this out instead of leaving it like this, instead of dumping it and leaving it, the next time you go to clean your carpet, you got a clean, fresh tank. So none of those odors get down into your carpet from the last time you did carpet. Let me give them one more additional extra tip.
You got one more tip. We got an extended tip from Mr.
Because we've
Grace.
talked about so many different applications today.
Uh-huh.
How many ounces was it for carpet? How many ounces was it in the bowl? If you look on the back of the label, you see this writing in here. There's so many different applications, but everything we've talked about and more is on this label with the exact dilution rate you need for your job.
We hope you picked up some new ideas to make your fall fresher than ever. And if you want the details, check out that YouTube channel. If you just like the sound of our voice and like hanging out with us, you can also look up the OdoShow podcast. We're out there on Apple Podcasts and anywhere finer podcasts are provided. Before you go, here are a few more helpful videos you should definitely check out. And if you like this video and want more of the best fun, free cleaning tips and how-tos, be sure to hit that subscribe button and then click the little bell icon so you'll always know whenever we post a new video.